And this is how to pour a slab, or?
Yeah, we're pouring small slabs for the base of our posts. And I was going to go larger, but then I decided I'm doing so many of them. I'm going to do 2-footers, 2 foot by 2 foot, 4 inches thick. So I'm kind of lining them up just to be kind of cool and diamonds.
Yep.
And I've kind of leveled it off here. It's not perfect, but it's not bad at all. We're basically doing the crushed limestone with the odd leftover granite pieces on top, so it's not anything super fancy, but really cool though. So we got it leveled off, and next I'm going to take the concrete mix, the ready mix, over here, and we're going to put add water and mix it around and fill these up, and then just level them off, and we'll let them sit for a couple weeks till we're working on the project again. And then I'll take the screws out and just tap my form loose and pull it out. And then I like to, after I pull the form off, just tap the edges, like on this one right here, so they're not super sharp or anything.
Yeah.
Just kind of round them a little bit while it's still green. But concrete will harden over the next 15 to 20 years before it's really its full strength. But it'll be very hard in a few weeks.
Yep. Here's the mix.
And I forgot my official concrete tools, so we're going to have to float it off with this piece of wood. But that works. That'll work.
Yep.
Just kind of working it in. When you jiggle it, the water comes to the top of concrete. So you get that smooth finish pretty soon. You don't want to overdo it though. It'll dust off later. So, let's call it a day.
Very good.